Welcome to Ecom Ranks. In this video, I will guide you on how you are able to customize the latest Empire theme, for your Shopify website. Let me show you an example websites that are built using Empire theme. So this is the first example. Here is the logo, this is the search bar, and this is the menu, and here is the secondary menu. After we scroll down, it's a slider image or the main image, and it's the feature text, and these are all the collections added here: bedroom, dining, living, and this is the featured section. All of these sections have been added to create a beautiful websites. So all of these sections are available in Empire theme. So let me show you another example. This is another beautiful website that is built using the Empire theme. So we will customize this website. This is the German based website, and all of the language is German. I have switched it to English, but it is built using the Empire theme. So we will build an exactly similar website so that you are able to move or get to know about different sections of Empire theme. So let's get started our video. So first section is here, that it is the announcement bar, and then here is the logo section, and this is my website. Once I have added my theme over here, just like here I have added it. It's the latest updated Empire theme version, and I am customizing it from start. So once it's added here, we have to click on the customize, and after clicking on customize, this window will get opened. In this window you will see all the changes, and from this window, this sidebar, you are able to do all the settings of your theme. So firstly we have to add this text. Let me switch it back to German. We have to copy it and simply go to the announcement bar and paste it over here. So the color, the background color would be this one, and the text color would be white. So the announcement bar has been added. Let's just move back. What's the utility bar? Basically, utility bar is a bar that comes under an announcement bar. Here you are able to add one more menu, just like you have some privacy policies pages or about us or contact us pages. You can create a menu and add all those links here. Similar to this one. I don't want to use this in this theme, so simply I will disable it. So after this, here comes the header section. Once we click on the header section, I want to increase its width. Set it to, let's 60px. And from this section you are able to see the mobile version of your website. So let me increase the width on mobile version. It's already fine. We don't want to increase it in mobile version. Switch back to desktop. To move, so show search bar on mobile. Yes, I need it. I simply enable all these options. These are very good options. You can do the same. It's asking for the secondary menu. It's similar to the utility bar, and all the links are added here, and when we add the secondary menu, it will be added over here, similar to this shop. This shop has added secondary menu. So I don't want to add the secondary menu over here. So I already have a large menu over here, so simply I will skip this option, move back. And one more thing that I want to show you, that once I scroll down, my header is moving with me. Okay, so it's bad because it's covered 20% of the website area and it's not user friendly. So let me disable this option. Once I will disable it, now the header will not move along with me. Okay, hit the save button. Okay, so now the announcement bar is done, a utility bar and the header section is done. We have done with customizing all this section. Okay, so here comes the slideshow section. Okay, so we don't need a slideshow section. Basically, slideshow section decreases your website speeds. It's an honest opinion to not use slideshow. If you want to increase your website speed, don't use that slideshow image. So what's this? This is a new section called featured image. So let us add this section. We have to scroll down and hit the add section button, and there will be a section called image. This is the section that we want to add, image with text overlay. Okay, so let us add the image, move down, so this is the image that I want to add. I simply select it, and the section height I have to set its original aspect ratio. So let me tell you what's that. Okay, let me remove all these options because we don't need it. Okay, so what's the opacity? Basically, opacity is the color that would make your image appear more good. If you have some background images of, if you have white background images, you should have some opacity, but for now I have to set it to 0 so that to make it more visible. For this button text, let me remove it. So now all the things have been removed because here there are no text and no button, so I have removed all these things. Okay, so what's this? This is basically the section height. From here we are able to set the section height to small, medium, large, or original aspect ratio. Okay, I have set it to original aspect ratio because doing so it will set the section height according to the banner size, banner width and banner height. Okay, so that's the best option. Simply move this section at the top, hit the save button. Okay, the very important thing is that when I click on this banner, it takes me to the page where all collections are listed. Okay, to add the link, we have to move to that image and then we have to add the link over here, collections and all collections. Okay, hit the save button and it's done. What's the next section? The next section is text, a heading and a text. Okay, to add it we have to move down and hit the add section. Okay, after clicking on it we have to add a text. Here there will be an option for text. Where it is, this is an option of text. Simply click on it, and here let me copy the heading and I will add the heading over here, and let's copy the description and I will add the description over here. Remove all the spacing. and I have to set the section width to wide or full width. Okay, so now it's according to this website exactly. Let us move it at the top under the banner. Perfect. Now we have customized our announcement, the header section, the image section, and this text section. So let's move forward. Okay, so now the next section is the main product or the featured product of the website. Here we see the one product and another one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we have to add 7 sections of featured products. Simply copy this the product title, and then from here we have to let me close all these options. Okay, from here we have to add the featured product section. Move down, here is an option to add the featured product section. Select it, and then we have to paste our product title and select that product. Okay, so it's added here. Go back and move this product under the rich text that we have added. Okay, similarly do it for the 6 other products. Hit the add section, and then we have to add the featured product. Here is an option. Okay, so here we see that I have added all of these featured products. Okay, so we have to move it up, or simply I don't need all other sections because I am customizing it according to this website. Okay, so let me delete all these sections so that those featured products will be moved up automatically. You don't need it, and simply add it again if you want to add those sections from here. Okay, so let's see our website, the header, the main image, the rich text, and the featured product section. Okay, so it's super great that we are customizing it quite easily. Hit the save button, and the announcement bar, the header section, the main image, the rich text, and all of the featured products have been added. When we move down, there is another section which is called collection list. All of the collections are listed here. Let me switch it to English so that you can understand it. These are all of my collections of the website. This is the collection list title. Okay, put it back. For this we have to copy this heading, and from here we have this section called collection list. If it's not here, you can add it from here, collection list, and simply add our title over here and scroll down. Click on collections and all collections. Okay, to add a collection under it, you have to click on this icon. Right after clicking on it, there will be all of the collections are open. Simply select it, and from here you can copy this and paste it over here. Let me do the same for all of the sections. Copy it and then paste it over here. Okay, so now I have added all those collections. Okay, so the collections link has been added here, and this image has been added here. Similarly, I have added all these 10 to 12 collections. Okay, let me close this from here and move down the what's next section. From here we see is newsletter section and this section. Okay, to add this newsletter section, I have to go down, hit the add section, and then I have to choose newsletter. For this I have to copy this heading and paste it over here, and for this we have to copy this heading, I have to paste it over here. You can simply use any English text, just like get discounts, get free discounts, or get latest news on sale and discounts. Okay, so it's has been set according to this website. What's next section? It's this is the trust banner or the grunty banner or the highlight banner. Go back, hit the add section, and here will be an option to add it, highlight banner. Okay, to customize it I have to first of all change the icon color to our branded color, and the text color should be dark black, jet black. Okay, so it's set. Move back, and from here you are able to add the text. Just copy and paste it. Let me do it fast. Okay, so I have copied it. Let's copy it and paste it over here. Okay, so now everything has been added. The only one thing is missing is that here we see a card icon and here we see a location icon. To change this icon, you have to scroll up and hit this and select the credit card option. Okay, so now it's same. Go back and hit the save button. The newsletter section have been added, the highlight banner have been added. The only section that is left on the home page is the footer section. So the footer section we have 4 things: the about us, the 2 menus, and this is a social media links. Okay, so first of all we have to add this text to our footer section, copy it, and have to go to the footer section and open this tab. Here we see a 5 to 6 section. We don't need it, we just need 2 menus. Let me delete this block, and for the social tab I need it at the end, and we don't need this subscribe tab. Okay, and one more tab that I have add is about us. Let me write here about us and move it to the top. Okay, so the about us section is added here, the 2 menus are added here, and the social media icons should be added here. To add to make that same menu, it's called the quick links. I have changed its names. Let's change that menu. So this is the quick links written in German. So a quick link menu has been added. For another menu I have to add it. Click on change menu, and then from here I have to add this menu, this one. Okay, so it's added over here. And for the social accounts, we have to add links for Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest and Instagram. But firstly I want to tell you that I don't need this menu over here. Okay, to get rid of it, click on footer, and from here you can simply remove that menu. Go back, and now we have to set the social icons. Click on theme settings, and there will be an option for social media. Click on it, and simply let me copy all these links. Let me copy it and paste it over here, and then copy it and paste it over here, and then copy the Pinterest and paste it over here, and then we'll have to copy the Instagram and paste it over here. Actually it's my client store, so if you want me to customize your website more professionally, I have left my contacts information in the description section. You can contact me from there on Fiverr or on Skype. Okay, after doing all these changes you can hit the save button. Okay, so the changes has been saved. Now what the thing is left is that we have to change these colors. Okay, so to do so you have to click on theme settings, and then you have to select colors, and from here you can change the colors. I am adding my brand colors. This is my brand color. Let me add it. Okay, the color has been added. So the one thing is left is that favicon. What's favicon? It's called the favicon, the icon that is shown in the browser tab. Similarly for Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram. For my website I want to show EW to my favicon. For this we have to click on theme settings, and then click on favicon, select image, and from here I have to select this EW icon, select it and hit the save button. On the checkout page I have to add my logo. Here is my logo, and I have to change these blue colors to my branding colors. This will help in building customer trust. So click on the save button. So our home page is customized according to our reference website. This one I have designed a exactly similar layout. Okay, so home page is done. What about the product page? We have to click on products, and then we have to choose the default product section. Okay, from here let us check whether it's same or not. I have to go to the product page. So the product page is opened. I think it's completely similar. Yes, it's completely similar to this website. Okay, so this is the quick tutorial on how you are able to customize the home page, the product page of your website. If you want help or expert guidance, you can message me on Fiverr, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.